Next is the relationship between sociology and history. History studies the past event, and as a rule historian studies past incidents, and its content delineated to the actual events to establish how things actually happened. And sociologists are more interested in the contemporary or recent past, and its focus was to seek to establish causal relationship between the events, because there is a sequence of events, one event after another. So sociology try to establish the relationship between two incidents, but history studies only the fact, that is date, cause of the event. History studies concrete detail, that means it only studies the fact and deals with dates and events, that when particular incident took place, who were involved, what was the outcome, etc. But sociology studies abstract reality and also studies the situation from different vantage point or from different point of view, and try to establish the relationship between the events and their consequence on the society. Conventional history has been about the history of kings and war, the history of less glamorous or less exciting events as changes in land relations or gender relations within the family have been the core area of sociologists. Sociologists try to understand, or it studies the incidents which are occurring in the society, whether it is glamorous or not. At present, history is far more sociological, and social history is the subject of history. Now, history also studies the social pattern of society, gender relations, mores, customs, important institutions other than the acts of rulers, wars, and monarchy. It doesn't only deals with dates and events now. Now they include all other aspects of society in the past. And sociology, as you know, it studies the contemporary or recent past. Okay, so this is the relationship between sociology and history.